Welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. Today we are going to make a really quick finger pudding. Now I've got these raspberries, I've got some puff pastry, and we are just going to put together a really quick pudding or a sweet. This is really easy. All we need to do is cut that puff pastry into squares and get it in the oven. Let's show you how to do it. Come on. So just unravel our pastry. This is bought pastry, and this is just a quick recipe. You know, you've got folk coming round and you want a little bit of a sweet on the table. This is really quick. So we need to divide this into thirds. So it's going to be about there and about there. And then all we need to do is eyeball that to the top. And it's probably going to be completely out of line, because that had a wobble on then, didn't it? Did you see that? So why don't we just whack that in half and then whack this into thirds. So straight across. We'll do the same at this end. So it's about there. And about there. Now you can be a little bit more careful than this and you can actually measure it out. I can't be bothered. Okay, so that's our pastry cut, and then all we need to do is transfer that to a tray. So we need to get a tray, and then we're going to transfer our pastry to the tray, and hopefully we can get it to fit. Hopefully. Okay, we'll have to settle for that. We've got 2 pieces left over there. We'll just put that back in the fridge. So that is our pastry. Now we need to milk wash this and we'll stick it in the oven. No pastry brush, so just fold over your piece of kitchen towel like that and get a pair of scissors and now we have a quick pastry brush. So with the milk over the top of our pastry, there we go. All we do now is put that in the oven. Now the oven's already on for 180, so 180 for about 20 minutes. So there we are, there's the first stage of our finger pudding. So we just need to put that out to cool. Right, for the next stage of our pudding then, we want to be tipping in some double cream in our mixer. So let's have that in there, and we're going to whip this. So we'll end up with whipped cream. And we want to be going in there with about a tablespoon of icing sugar. So let's put our whisk on and let's crack on. Nice and steady to start, build it up and then whip up that cream. Oh, that looks like a really good whipped cream. Okay, the next job on this really easy pudding, we need to take our puff pastry and we need to just slice it through the middle like that. Because what we're going to do, we're going to stuff the inside. So it's as easy as that. Cut through your puff pastry so we have a base and a top. Okay, now we've gone through them all. You can see, look, we've got a base and we have a top. Okay, now what we're going to do, we're going to put a bit of raspberry jam on that bottom. Now you can use strawberry, you can use any flavour you want. We want a little bit of jam on the bottom. And then we put some cream in, some raspberries in, and put the top back on. Easy as that. And all we're going to do is take some jam, regular jam. Just get it on the back of your spoon and a little bit on the bottom of there. That's going to put a little bit of sweetness on the bottom. Not much, but it's going to give us that little bit of a flavour. So we're just going to put that to one side while we grab another one. Do exactly the same. A little bit of jam on there. Grab another couple. So as you can see, we've got a base already. That is our base. Now what we're going to do, we're going to take some of this cream and we're going to put the cream on top of that jam base. So you can pipe it on if you have a piping bag, or you can just put it in like that. It doesn't matter. We want the cream in there. Oh, these are starting to look fab. I like the look. Now this is one of those really quick finger things that you can do if you've got somebody coming round and you don't have anything in. This is really easy. A bit of cream on there, look. Now you can put as much on as you want. I'm not going too daft. So I'll get a couple of raspberries on there. Oh, just look at this. And then over with the top. Just look at that. Fantastic. So we just need to be bobbing these on a plate as we're going. So we'll do a couple more. Squash that in there. That cream's going to hold these raspberries on, by the way. But you know, it's still going to come out when you stick it in your mouth. Just look at that. Okay, for strawberries then, what we need to be doing, we need to be thin slicing the strawberries. So we want a nice thin slice across there like that. So I'll put that one to one side. Let's have a look at this one. Bit of cream on there. We need to load those up with our strawberries. So it's very, very easy. On with our strawberries. Push it out where we've sliced it. And then on with the top. Oh, oh, oh. Just look at that. Okay, and to finish this off then, we want a little bit of icing sugar over the top. So get yourself a sieve and get your icing sugar. Oh, look at that. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, okay. Oh. Oh. That is amazing. Oh. That is so fresh. With that cream, soft puff pastry, that is delicious. Now if you like what we're doing, don't forget, smash that like and subscribe, share with your friends, all that kind of stuff. Catch you in the next video.